Hi, welcome to my channel Everything Data with Foyin. Today we'll be talking about how to create and design tables from scratch. Let's get into the video. Let's move to the next tab, insert tab. So we have a lot of things here, but for now we'll start with the table. If we want to insert a table into our spreadsheet, it has picked the range for us, A1 to A10, but that's not what we want to use. We want to use this whole side to G20. So we can just change that here. We can put it as A1 to. So to tell the system that you want a range, you have to use a column. When you use a column, the system will be able to understand that, oh, you want a range, A1 to G20. Then you can now tap my table as headers. If you have headers like dates, location, date of birth, and those are your headers, then you have the data that is under. You can now say, oh, my table has headers. So you can click on it, then press OK. So it will take that section that you picked, the range you picked, and turn it to a table. If you notice, this color, the color of this row is different from others because it has taken this as my header. You can change the table name. You can resize the table to edit it. Let's say we want to change it to 21, so it will update it. Then if you want to remove duplicates, you want to go into data analysis, you want to remove duplicates, you want to convert to range, you want to insert slicer. So this is the table design side. But for now, let's just look at the designs they have for the tables. So you can easily change the designs to what you want to change it to. So they have a lot of templates you can use. Let's pick this one. Okay, so let's go back to insert. We've created our table, which we can impute anything we want to impute. Okay, so let's get a real data set for us to work with and to understand how Excel really works. Okay, so looking at this table, we can see the first column. This is a field, that's the first name field. We can easily adjust this. So this is the first name field, this is the last name field, contact info field, country, and so on. We have the records. So this is how records are written: record of a person, record of a person. Now if we have Priscilla and we want to duplicate it on the second row, all we can do is highlight the row, then go to this square icon under. Then if you notice, it turns, our cursor turns to like a cross form. Then we can left click on it and drag down, and that's how it's duplicated. So the whole row is duplicated, same as the name. Come to the square icon, then drag down, left click, drag down, and it's duplicated. So let's delete this. So for example, if I want to, let's say this contact info, this is 1, this is 2, and I want it to go to 100, or we have 21 here, So I want it to go down to reach here, and I can't be typing it because it's going to waste time. What I can do is highlight the two of them, the first two cells, then go to the square icon, then just double click, left click twice. So, and you've noticed that's filled it for us automatically. So if you don't want it to be in this order, you can set the order you want. Let's go back. Let's say you want it to be only odd numbers, you can change the 2 to 3, then highlight it, come to the square icon, then left click twice, and it follows that order and pattern. The same thing if you want it to be moving by the same thing if you want the order to be different. We have 1 4 and you want it to continue like this, just highlight, come here, double tap. So we can also use illustration, adding pictures, shapes, icon, 3D model into our spreadsheet. We can create charts, we can do map, we can create charts, we can import maps into it or insert maps, pivot charts, 3D maps, and so much more. Let's move to the page layout tab. If you look at this is concerned with how the page looks like, how your spreadsheet looks like. So we have the size. You can change the size of your spreadsheet when you are printing, how it will look like. You can change your orientation, landscape or portrait. The margin, it can be adjusted. The theme matters on what you want, the colors you want. The background, you can add the background. So let's move to the next tab, formulas. You can insert function. As we said, this is the function or the formula bar. So you can insert functions, you can insert formulas into the spreadsheet to do your calculations. If you'll be interested in learning how to use functions and formulas, please click the video that just popped up. So let's go to the data tab. You can filter, you can sort. So let's go back to the home page. For now, for the basics of Microsoft Excel, you don't need all this for now. But if you would like to know more and understand the in-depth of Microsoft Excel, please click the video that just popped up on the screen to know more about Microsoft Excel. We've come to the end of this video. If you want to know more about tables, you can click the video that just popped up on the screen, where we talk about how to filter tables and do much more on tables. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment what you want us to talk about next. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.